Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Wired. In this video, we are going to solve problem number 881, boats to save people. First, we will see the explanation of the problem statement, then the logic and the code. Now let's dive into the solution. So here we have an example from the Leetcode website. So we are given two inputs. One is people's weight input. The next input we are given is limit, right? So we are given weights as the input. So these weights represents the ith person's weight. So for example, the 2 here represents the weight of the first person, first indexed person. Okay. We have a limit how much weight the boat can carry at a single trip, right? So in this example, the boat can carry with a limit of 3, right? And we are also given another condition, that is we can carry only 1 or 2 people at the same time at a single trip, right? So initially I will be sorting my input array, and if I sort this, I will be getting 1, 2, 2 and 3, right? Then I will be using 2 pointers, where the first I pointer will be pointing to the minimum weight, that is 1 in this case, and the jth pointer will point to the maximum weight, that is 3 in this case. Now I will check whether I can carry the person who has the minimum weight, that is 1, and the maximum weight, that is 3, and I will add them, and I will be getting 4. Now I will check whether it is less than or equal to my limit, that is 3 here. If this condition fails, which means I can only send the maximum weight person alone in a single trip, right? I cannot send 2 people here. Since this particular condition fails, the boat cannot carry a weight of 4. So I will just complete the first trip with the maximum weight person. Now I will reduce my j pointer, right? So which means this particular person who has weight of 3 will travel separately in a single trip. So I will increase the boat by 1. So the maximum weight person has completed the trip separately, right? Now again I will add I and j, that is 1 and 2. I will be getting 3. Now I will check whether it is less than equal to 3, that is limit. Yes, this particular condition is valid, so which means I can carry both the people. When this particular condition is valid, I will move both my I pointer and j pointer. I will increase my I pointer and I will decrease my j pointer. Now both I and j pointer pointing to the same value. Since this condition is valid, I will increase my boat by 1. So in this case, the person who has the weight 1 and the person who has weight 2 has traveled at the same time, right? Now I will again add I and j. So 2 plus 2, since both is pointing to the same value, in this case the condition will fail. I will just reduce my j pointer and I will increase my boat, which means the person who has the weight 2, that is the person 1, has traveled separately, right? So since I is greater than j now, I will exit out of the loop, right? Then finally I will return both. So the time complexity will be n log n since we are sorting it, and space will be constant space, right? That's how the logic is. Now we will see the code. So before we code, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future, and also check out my previous videos and keep supporting guys. So initially I will sort the input array, right? Now I will initialize the I pointer and j pointer. I will point it to the first index and j will point it to the last index, right? Then I will initialize both variable as 0 at the start. Then I will write the while loop and I will run the while loop until my I is less than or equal to my jth pointer, right? first I will check by adding the ith person weight and the jth person weight, right? I will check whether it is less than equal to my limit variable. If it is valid, I will increase my I pointer. Else, I will just keep on reducing the j pointer and I will keep on increasing the boats by 1. So if the condition is valid, I will send 2 people at the same time. If it is invalid, I will just send jth person alone, right? Then finally, I will return boats variable as the answer, right? That's all the code is. Now we will run the code. As you guys see, it's pretty much efficient. So the time complexity n log n and space is constant space. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future. And also check out my previous videos. Keep supporting. Happy learning. Cheers guys.